Okay, second question. Laplace of sine t, sine 3t. So, given question, Laplace of t sine 3t is equal comparing Laplace of t f of t. So, where cos 3t, cos question. So, second question, t cos 2t, cos 2t, where f of t is equal cos 2t. First to find out f bar of s. F bar of s is equal formula Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t value cos 2t. Cos 2t. So this is form of Laplace of cos at is equal s by s square plus a square. Here a value 2. Here a value 2. 2 by s square plus 2 square. So 2 by s by s by s square plus 2 square, s by s square plus 4. This is f bar of s value, s by s square plus 4. Write down. Next problem. Continue next line. Write down. So next line, by multiplication power of t. By multiplication power of t. Laplace of t f of t is equal minus 1 d by ds of f bar of s minus 1 d by ds of f bar of s value s by s square plus 4. So what is formula now? Formula d by ds of u by v is equal divided by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds 1 by divided by s square plus 4 whole square s square plus 4 into v, right as v. Next d by ds of s minus s d by ds of s square plus 4. Next line, write down. Minus 1 whole divided by s square plus 4. S derivative is 1 minus s into S square derivative is 2s, constant derivative is 0. S square plus 1, s derivative is 1 minus s, square derivative 2s plus 0. S square plus 4 whole square minus 1, s square plus 4 minus 2 s into s square by s square plus 4 whole square minus 1 minus s square minus 2s square, that is minus 1s square, that is only minus s square plus 4 by s square plus 4 whole square. The solution is multiplication of minus. So plus s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 whole square. This is the Laplace of t cos 2t. So next, write down very important question. So next topic, multiplication of power of t square. That is formula Laplace of t square f of t. So t square comes the 2 time derivative on the minus 1 by s square d square by ds square f bar of s. 2 times derivative చేసుకోవాలి, ఇది formula. Very important. Gunshot question, 8 marks question. Write down. Find Laplace of t square sin 2t. T square 2 times derivative. So write down Laplace of t square sin 2t is comparing Laplace of t square f of t. Here f of t is equal sin 2t. First of all, find out f bar of s. Laplace of f of t. F bar of s equal to Laplace of f of t. Laplace of sin 2t. So there is formula now. Laplace of sin 80. So a by s square plus a square. Here a value 2. So 2 by s square plus 2 square. 2 by s square plus 4. F bar of s. By multiplication power of t square. By multiplication by power of t square. T square. Write down formula. Laplace of t square f of t minus 1 whole square d square by ds square f bar of s. Laplace of t square sin 2t minus 1 whole square plus 1. So I will d by ds of d by ds. 2 time derivative f bar of s. So d by ds of f bar of s value 2 by s square plus 4. So this is form of u by d by ds of u by v by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds. Next line. u is equal to v is equal s square plus 4 d by ds of by v square s square plus 4 whole square. So 2 okay, s square plus 4 d by ds of 2 v d by ds of u minus 2 d by ds of s square plus 4 d by ds of by s square plus 4 whole square s square plus 4 2 constant derivative is 0 2 s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0 okay d by ds of 0 minus 2 s into s square s square plus 4 whole square. This is only one time derivative. Again derivative d by ds. Only again u by v form. Okay, first of all write. So minus 2 s square by s square plus 4 whole square. So constant term minus 2. Constant minus 2. D by ds of s square by s square plus 4 whole square. D by ds of also u by v form by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds minus 2 by v square, carefully observe, by v square already s square plus 4 whole square. This is the v value whole square v s square plus 4 whole square d by ds of s square minus s square d by ds of s square plus 4 whole square. Carefully observe. Minus 2 divided by s square plus 4 whole power 2 square. 2 into 2 4. S square plus 4 whole square. S square derivative is 2s minus s square. Please observe. S square derivative of this is the function. That means you have to take x square. Right? Let x equal to s square plus 4 d by dx of x square into 2x. So 2 into actually function under function formula function d by ds of f of x whole f of s x లలో రాద్దాం గుర్తుంటుంది ఫార్ములా d by ds of f of x తీసుకుంటే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే x స్క్వేర్ 2x డెరివేటివ్ 2 into f of అగైన్ d by dx of f of x మళ్ళీ f of x చేయండి ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే 2 into x f of x s square plus 4 again d by dx of s square plus 4. Please observe this step. 2s 2 f of x whole square function is s square plus 4. So d by dx of f of x whole square. So 2 into f of x d by dx of f of x. 2 into s square plus 4 d by dx of again s square plus 4. Next line. Minus 2 s square plus 4 whole square 2s. I will write 2s minus 2 into s square 2s square into s square plus 4 into s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0 by s square plus 4 whole power 4. What is common in both two terms? Please observe. The common is 2s. 2s. 2s is common. Minus 2. 2s is common. Also, s square plus 1 only can come. S square plus 1 whole square not common. Only s square plus 4 value common. Remaining terms s square plus 4 as usual వచ్చేస్తుంది. Minus 2s square by s square plus 4 whole power 4. So s square plus 4 s square plus 4 cancel అయితే క్యూబ్ మిగులుతుంది. Right now. Minus 2 2s into minus s square plus 4 by s square plus 4 whole cube. The line, last line. Minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 s cube plus into minus minus 4 8s. S square plus 4 whole is a plus minus plus. Minus 2 the multiplication. The last line. Minus into minus plus 4s cube minus 16s by s square plus 4 whole cube. Right now. Next problem. So very important. Find Laplace of t square cos 3t. Same. Comparing Laplace of t square cos 3t. The comparing Laplace of t square f of t. Here f of t is equal cos 3t. So find f bar of s is equal Laplace of f of t. Laplace of cos 3t is of Laplace of cos 8t. S by s square plus a square. A is equal to 3. S by s square plus 3 square. S by s square plus 9. This is the f bar of s. By multiplication power of t square. by multiplication power of t square. So Laplace of t square f of t minus 1 d by ds of f bar of s d square. Please observe d square ds square minus 1 whole square plus 1 d by ds of f bar of s f bar of s. Substitute the value. d by ds of s by s square plus 9 u by v form d by ds of u by v by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds d by ds of by v square s square plus 9 whole square s square plus 9 into d by ds of s v u minus s d by ds of s square plus 9. The next line d by ds of s square plus 9 s derivative is 1 s s square derivative 2s plus 0 constant derivative 0 by s square plus 9 whole square. So write down, continue next line. Okay, d by ds of s square plus 9 minus 2s square by s square plus 9 whole square d by ds of minus s square plus 9 by s square plus 9 whole square. So again apply u by v form. So d by ds of u by v by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds. Okay. So 1s square minus 2s square value u by v square divided by s square plus 9 whole square. This is only v value whole square. Again write whole square. S square plus 9 whole square. This is v value d by ds of minus s square plus 9 minus s square plus 9 d by ds of s square plus 9 whole square. Write down next line by s square plus 9 whole power 4 s square plus 9 whole square minus s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0 minus s square plus 9. So d by ds of f of x whole square d by dx of f of x whole square ఉంటే x స్క్వేర్ కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే 2x 2f of x మళ్ళీ d by dx of f of x చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ f of x అంటే s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 సో 2f of x 2s square plus 9 so d by dx of again d by ds of s square plus 9. Okay, write down next line. So s square plus 9 whole square minus 2s minus of 2 ముందు రాస్తున్నా 2 2s into minus s square plus 9 okay ఇంకో స్టెప్ రాదు నో ప్రాబ్లం simplification only minus of minus s square plus 9 2 into s square plus 9 so s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0 s square plus 9 whole power 4 s square plus 9 whole square minus 2s into minus 2s into s square plus 9 whole square minus 2 yes 2s ఇక్కడ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి 2 ముందు రాస్తున్నా minus s square plus 9 into s square plus 9 into 2s by s square plus 9 whole square. So common values. One my 2s is the common. S square plus 9 value also common. 2s common. S square plus 1. నేను ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ను కూడా కామన్ తీస్తున్నా కేర్ఫుల్లీ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయేది ఓన్లీ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 ఇక్కడ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ను మనం కామన్ తీసాం కనుక ఆ ప్లేస్ లో ప్లస్ 2s కామన్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 కామన్ అవన్నీ మైనస్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. సో క్యాన్సలైజేషన్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 9 ఇక్కడ హోల్ పవర్ 4 సారీ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ఇక్కడ 3 మిగులుతుంది హోల్ పవర్ 4 minus 2s into s square plus 9 plus into minus minus plus 9 s square plus 9 whole cube plus s square minus s square cancel. Okay, minus 2s 18 by s square plus 9 whole cube 18 2 ja 36 s by s square plus 9 whole cube. Write down next problem. So note 2 sin a cos b is equal sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Next, 2 sin a sin b. Very, very important. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Okay, write down. Next problem. So Laplace of t sin 2t cos t is equal comparing Laplace of t f of t. Here f of t is equal sin 2t cos t. So f of t is equal, write as simplification, 1 by 2 2 sin 2t cos t. So comparing 2 sin a cos b, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. F of t is equal to 1 by 2 sin of 2t plus t plus sin of 2t minus t. F of t is equal to 1 by 2 sin 3t plus sin 1t into t. Find out bar of s. F bar of s equal to Laplace of f of t. So 1 by 2 is constant, remaining Laplace of sin 3t plus sin t, splitting each term. 1 by 2 Laplace of sin 3t plus Laplace of sin 1t. Laplace of sin 80 form. A by s square plus a square. 1 by 2 3 by s square plus 3 square. Same. A value 3 ఇక్కడ a value 3 అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ a value 1 అవుతుంది. So 1 by s square plus 1 square. 1 by 2 3 by s square plus 9, 1 by s square plus 1. Okay, next. So this is only f bar of s. By multiplication power of t, power of t, Laplace of t f of t is equal minus 1 d by ds of f bar of s. So minus 1 d by ds of 1 by 2 3 by s square plus 9 plus 1 by s square plus 9. 1. Okay. So 1 by 2 also constant. By this system. Minus 1 by 2 d by ds of 3 by s square plus 9 ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ప్లస్ d by ds of 1 by s square plus 1 ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం. సో 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డివైడ్ చేసుకొని చేస్తాం. రైట్ డౌన్, కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. ఓకే, d by ds of 3 by s square plus 9 plus d by s square 1 by s square plus 1 is form of u by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds minus So next minus 1 by 2, carefully observe first term, by s square plus 9 whole square by v square, v s square plus 9 d by ds of 3 minus 3 d by ds of s square plus 9 plus by s square plus 1 whole square s square plus 1 d by ds of 1 minus 1 d by ds of s square plus 1 and v by v form minus 1 by 2 s square plus 9 whole square s square plus 9 constant derivative 0 minus 3 s square derivative 2s 9 is the constant term plus s square plus 1 whole square s square plus 1 1 is a constant term derivative 0 s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0 so 1 into minus 1 by 2 0 minus 6s by s square plus 9 square plus 0 minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. Write down next problem. Alright, next line. Minus 1 by 2 minus 6s by s square plus 9 whole square minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. So what is the common now? Minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 is common. 3s by 2 3 is 6 whole square plus 1s by s square plus 1 whole square. So minus 2 minus minus plus. The last line plus 3s by s square plus 9 whole square plus s by s square plus 1 whole square. Right now, next problem. So next, very most important question.